Welcome to Astounding Bounds TV. I am Dr. Elaine Cannon, and today's message is for every parent who has a child that has struggled with a behavior, reputation, or choices. And it's a reminder that hope is never lost. As parents, we have a powerful opportunity to help our children rebuild by accentuating their positive traits and character strengths. Every child has a gift, even those who have made mistakes. Instead of constantly reminding them of where they went wrong, we must begin to intentionally point out where they are doing right. Focus on their kindness, their creativity, their persistence, and even their ability to lead. Help them see that those same strong qualities can be redirected towards better choices and better outcomes. Proverbs 22:1 tells us, "A good name is more desirable than great riches. To be esteemed is better than silver or gold." Teach your child that while their past mistakes do not define them, their new, consistent actions will reshape how others see them. Praise their growth, celebrate their efforts to improve, and give them real tools to handle challenges differently next time. Remind them daily that rebuilding a good reputation takes time, but with every right choice, they are laying a strong foundation for a better future. Thank you for watching Astounding Bounds TV. If this message blessed you, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep growing and keep guiding.